Welcome to WebStarPress. How to capture or print what's displayed in an HTML canvas as an image. So I have this receipt in HTML and I want to generate image, PNG or JPG from this. So this whole thing has got an ID, design. It will be basically div to image conversion or canvas to image generation using JavaScript. So this is the HTML that I have got, container, div with ID design, and then a table inside it. I also have got this second container with the ID output. I want to display that image inside this div. So to generate image from this HTML, we will need a library. The library is HTML to canvas. Let's put it to the test. Let's link to the library at the bottom. It's a CDN link. Inside script tags, use HTML to canvas to capture the div content. Get element by ID, design, then canvas. Canvas.toData URL, image, PNG. So convert this canvas to image using toData URL method that is provided by the HTML to canvas. This will generate PNG image. In case I need JPG, I can use something like this. 1 is the quality of the image from 0 to 1. This is the second argument. Now I can display image by using document.write, but we have a div to append image to. That is this output div. So I will not use this. We will create image element and append generated image to it. So this is the img. This img element.src equals img, and then document.getElement by ID output, append child image element. And here is the result. This is the HTML and this is the PNG. Let's inspect it. As you can see, this is PNG image. And if I use this method to create JPG, now it is JPG. And here is the PNG image. So HTML to canvas has got some limitations. All the images that the script uses need to reside under the same origin for it to be able to read them without the assistance of proxy. Similarly, if you have other canvas elements on the page which have been tainted with cross-origin content, they will become dirty and no longer readable by HTML to canvas. The script does not render plugin content such as Flash or Java applets. Browser compatibility is this. Also, as you can see, the CSS styles are inline. It's best to use inline styles for better results. This is better now. So images should be in same project if you intend to capture images from the HTML as well. And it's best to use inline CSS styles. So this is how you can generate images, JPG or PNGs from a div. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.